Alright, my peeps. These are the rails, the shelving, racking metal shelving rails. They're 18 feet long, all of them. So they're temporarily here. Um, and this is for the rainwater harvesting system. This is to support, secure, and elevate the rain barrels. And I got this for free. So I'm gonna show you guys the the side railing or the side bracketing, that completes the framing. I'm gonna show you guys all those pieces. But yeah, so I got 18 footers because either way it's a two-story house. They're gonna be in the backyard, and I'm gonna try to stack a bunch of rain barrels as much as possible. Maximize that square footage. Since I don't have a lot of space, I don't have acres to work with, so I have to work vertically. So that's why it works out. So 18 feet. They're gonna be 18 feet high. All right. Oh, these are the boards. These are the actual wooden shelves. Though. Let me show you guys the metal. The rest of the framing. This is it. So, got a bunch of these. There's three different lanes, or three different types. Like A, B, and C. You see, all the one in the bottom all across, and then we got these. Yeah. So there's pretty much a small, medium, and a large one. So these are the super large ones. These are the mediums, and then all the small ones are at the bottom. The ones that are running like this. But there's two layers. So yeah. So this is part of that whole metal shelving racking system. All for free. And God knows how much all of this shit costs. So I saved myself a couple hundred, maybe even thousands of dollars. Because I'm pretty sure they're expensive, man. Those 18 footers. And they're 28 in depth and 48 inches in length. So they're 28, yeah, 28 inches in depth and width, And then as far as length, it's 48 inches. So, yeah. And I got all that for free. So now let me show you what the actual boards. Once you got the framing, and then you put your board, and that's where you organize and you store everything. And it's actual wood. It's not that cheap compressed bullshit wood. And yeah, it's like legit solid wood. It's solid wood. Not that cheap, hollow, compressed, treated, processed bullshit. This is some nice lumber, expensive premium stuff. So it's so there you go. I got all of these for free, man. Almost how much money is that? Even the wood from the pallets is legit. Is good, man. Except these pieces. This is that compressed, treated bullshit. You can tell. But solid. Yeah, it would have these shelves that I showed you. It would have been whack if they would have been made out of this material. You see? Look at that compressed bullshit. No bueno right here. Yeah, these type of boards, I don't recommend. So that's why I got these heavy duty ones. So they had two different types, and I was like, nah, I need to have some heavy duty solid wood. Yep. So that's that. Got that for free. We're in late October, so that's why I'm trying to play it safe and just cover everything just for the rain, because I got all the other projects. So, but the rainwater, I gotta get this going. Literally, this is my first priority, so I could collect the first rain. All right, and that's it, my peeps. Peace, love, and good health. Collect the rain. Laters.